IEWC, the premier stocking distributor of wire, cable, and wire management products. As a customer-driven, solution-focused company, we know you will find favor in the relationships we have forged with our supplier partners in order to help your business grow. We are excited to be a growing global company. No matter where you go on this earth, you will find IEWC's customer-driven, solution-focused partnership around the corner. Through our supplier partnerships, IEWC provides the lowest total cost solution for your wire, cable, and wire management needs. We pride ourselves on delivering product on time, every time, same day if you need it. We look at our customer relationships as win-win. By ensuring your business growth, we ensure our own. It's been that way since 1962, when Ted Krasinski and Harlan Murray first started IEWC in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Early goals were simple: money on the bankroll at the end of the day, and food on the table for their families. More important, they planted the seed for IEWC's foundation, striving for strong relationships between the supplier, the distributor, and the customer, you, as they knew IEWC's success lay rooted in their customers' success. As a result, IEWC became one of the first companies to become ISO 9001-2000 registered, and in 2010, the company formerly known as Industrial Electric Wire and Cable rebranded themselves as IEWC. IEWC's early leaders had a strong belief in their employees. That's why they gave the staff at IEWC the gift of employee ownership, something that current IEWC Chief Executive Officer Dave Nestingen takes to heart.
What I've really found about the people working here is that employee ownership has a big impact on how they think about the company, think about the customers, and think about the suppliers. Because they have their own personal stake, they really go out of their way to provide an unusual level of high service.
With these values, IEWC began to grow. From their humble beginnings in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, IEWC expanded to locations throughout the United States. IEWC takes great care of every order received. Here's a close look.
Hi, this is Andy.
From the moment we first make contact, we want to learn about your business.
Well, we got plenty.
My job out there in the field to make sure that we're meeting the needs of the customers. How do we meet the needs of the customers? Well, it all boils down to relationship selling. The more that we have a better understanding of the customer's requirements on a daily basis, the better job we're going to do to service that customer when it comes to their daily requirements.
If we need to, we can actually take, all of our people are very well cross-trained personnel, so we can actually shift around into different departments to accommodate those needs for that customer and actually get the product to them as, on the time that they need it.
An accumulation of activities that the company provides, not just a department or the sales department. A good customer service experience, I assume that our customer like the same thing that I do, is a flawless execution of the entire transaction from the beginning to the end, which means having the proper product and inventory, of course, executing the requirements of the customer, where to ship it to, when to ship it there, how to ship it, invoicing properly, getting the payment on time. The entire company needs to go together.
Whether in suburban Milwaukee or halfway around the globe, IEWC's motto, customer-driven, solution-focused, never gets lost in translation.
We lower the cost of a customer's business by really focusing on some of the soft costs in their organisation that they probably don't see and don't probably appreciate. The line cost of orders, managing multiple suppliers. These are the things that by partnering with IEWC with the product solutions that we offer, the end-to-end solution of what we do on a global basis, that's really where our strengths really are, and I see us developing those over the next 10 years.
We keep providing quality product with a very competitive price and world-class service to our customers.
The products, when they're specified in properly and procured from the right suppliers, are all the same. What makes the difference with customer service and with people's relationship with IEWC Canada is the quality of the transaction and the details around it beyond that, and I think that's our strength.
Our staff takes a lot of pride in their work. We all know that well-served customers means long-term business relationship that at the end give our company sustainable growth.
Whether you are in the United States, Europe, China, Mexico, or Canada, IEWC has you covered. IEWC products are found throughout the OEM and sub-assembly markets within the automotive, military, aerospace, marine, renewable energy, mining, agriculture, and industrial sectors worldwide. To maintain a deep-seated presence in all of these markets, IEWC relies on strategic relationships with their manufacturer partners.
Really, when we're trying to figure out relationships with the manufacturers that work best, we're looking for manufacturers that can meet our specifications, that have proper cost in the marketplace, that will meet their commitments they make to us, like their delivery commitments. And finally, as unexpected issues come up, will stand behind us and go with us into the market and resolve the unexpected issues that come up.
They're a very progressive company. They're the leader in the industry. The organizational structure from top down has a driven plan of where they want to be in the future, and people like us, suppliers like us, want to be obviously involved with customers like that. They're definitely the #1 customer we have.
We also aggressively continue to strive for new technology and product innovations that will help our customers. The customer-driven services we offer demonstrate the solution focus we place on every customer's order.
I believe that we're able to take those technologies, leverage those technologies with the technologies that we possess today, and create a virtual environment for our trading partners, customers, vendors, and IEWC working in cooperation with one another to drive more value at a higher rate of pace and really converting business at the speed of thought into something that's truly delivering value and improving the efficiency and effectiveness of all of those that are participating in that collaboration network.
Local IEWC sales representatives are highly trained in additional exclusive services. In addition, IEWC offers solution-focused, value-added services. Whether it's cutting wire to length, respooling, packaging, striping, or twisting, IEWC, once again, has you covered. Knowing how important every shipment is to our customers, the employees handle every order with the same high amount of care.
Yeah, packaging innovation is something that we're constantly working on. We're always working with our suppliers in packaging to develop a better way to package a spool or a reel of wire to get it to the customer in one piece. And that's what's important. When they open that box, that presentation when the customer opens is important.
IEWC has been blessed with some very strong leadership ever since its inception. It's an evolution over time, and we've basically stayed true to our values as a company. If we can deliver the appropriate product on time at a competitive cost and do that within a customer service environment that the customer favors, then they find favor in us and we grow. And it's been about that simple.
Evidence of this commitment can be found in IEWC's new Continuous Improvement Department.
We do support some well-known methodologies such as Six Sigma, but we also incorporate some technology methodologies in order to serve our internal customers as well as external customers.
The company plans for more growth. We're never really satisfied with the status quo. We always push ourselves to the limit to do better and to grow in everything we do.
IEWC takes pride in sharing this growth with others.
One example is our partnership with Habitat for Humanity. And that partnership has come together where we build homes for working families. That partnership has moved beyond monetary donations to include the time and talent of our employee owners. One of the funny pieces, or one of the interesting things, is when our employee owners and their families come together and they bring their passion and their hard work ethic to these job sites. And they're building homes and making a tangible difference in these communities. We value those partners that we have in the communities and the differences that they make, and we very much look forward to building those year over year.
Customer-driven, solution-focused.
Estamos motivados por el cliente y enfocados a las soluciones.
Customer driven, solution focused.
客户需求为导向，提供全面解决方案。
We've got you covered.